Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable Google Gemini or Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to disable Google Gemini or Google Assistant on your Samsung phone, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Google. From here, just go to All Services, and on this page, you will find the option of Search, Assistant, and Voice. Just tap on it. Now, if the digital assistant on your smartphone is Google Gemini, then you will have to change Google Gemini into Google Assistant first. But if the digital assistant on your smartphone is already Google Assistant, then you can skip this step. Since the digital assistant on our smartphone is Gemini, then I will tap on Gemini over here. Then go to Digital Assistant from Google. Then tap on Google Assistant and select Switch. After that, just tap on Search Assistant and Voice and tap on Google Assistant. And on this page, you will find the option of General. Just tap on it, then disable Google Assistant from here and tap on Turn Off. Now after you do that, you will disable Google Assistant on your smartphone. But if you want to permanently disable Google Assistant on your home button, then open Settings and tap on Display. Then tap on Navigation Bar. And from here, you will find the option of Assistant app. Just disable this toggle. And once you disable this toggle, you will disable Google Assistant and Google Gemini from your home button. Now, if you want to disable Google Assistant or Google Gemini from the power button of your Samsung phone, then go to your home screen and open Settings. And in the main settings page, just tap on Advanced Features. Then tap on Side button and disable Double Press Side button. And once you do that, you will disable Google Assistant or Google Gemini from your power button. Just like that. And this is how you can disable Google Gemini or Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.